What's up YouTube? Faded King 951 here. Now I'm about to do a demo on these ball shells. They're called the Ninja Magnum shells by Ninja Fireworks. That's how the front looks right here. A little barcode right there. 12 shells. Here's the effects list right there. And right there some more. And then on this side too. Let me pause the video and we'll take a look at the tube and the shells. This is how the shells look right here, just standard ball shells. And then here is the tube right there, bam. Cardboard tube, as you guys can see right there. Alright guys, I've showed you the shells in the tube. Let's get to the ignition.
So you made the right decision. You made the right decision.
This is Ninja Magnum shells is the first one. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, that's not bad.
Damn. They laugh like a motherfucker. What's that?
The Ninja shells.
Oh, it was cute.
It had a good tail. It had a really good tail.
I had a really good tail. I'll give you that much.
It did come out nice.
Yeah, it came out nice. Just the tail, yeah. It came out swinging, right?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, go for it.
Kind of jaded. We done shot all this shit. Then we shoot that. It's kind of.
I mean, it's consumer.
Yeah, it's tough.
Consumer.
It's tough.
That's a nice tail.
That's a really nice tail. Oh, there we go.
They're not bad.
Yeah, no, they're good.
For ball shells, that's really good. That's really good.
Talk to him in a second. These nuts.
Here's the rest of the shells. The 6-inch. Those are 3 of them. Dope.